The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is here. It's a small incremental update from the last year's Fold 4 with almost no changes in the front and inside the screen display. Except it's slightly brighter and also the inside crease is reduced slightly. Yes, you can now close it without any bulge like last year's Fold 4, which definitely makes it more slimmer when folded. It comes in 5 main colors: Icy Blue, Phantom Black, Cream, Grey and Blue. In this video, let's see the colors in detail and find out which one is the best for you. So let's start the video. Starting with the cream color, it's a subtle matte off-white finish with silver aluminum on the sides and near the camera sensors, which perfectly complements the cream color. Matte finish does add to its luxury look overall. It definitely shouts premium, but it's not a new color. The crease is slightly smaller than the last year, but still quite visible with a better Gorilla Glass protection. Unfortunately, this year there is no changes from the front. It looks exactly like Fold 4 from the front side, with similar bezels. The best thing about the Fold 5 is now you can fold it completely with almost no gap when folded. Icy Blue is a great color and stands out with a light shade of blue in matte finish with silver aluminum color on the sides and around the camera. It's a great looking color and looks like the most popular color of this year. Black is definitely the most classic color with matte light black color and black aluminum on the sides and around the camera sensor. It feels like a solid option you can never go wrong with. It's ideal for business travelers, in fact for anyone who likes to carry a classic dark color. Because of the full black color and aluminum frame, watching content is more enjoyable because it's all black from the sides. There are 2 more color options but only available online: Grey and Blue. Both are stunning colors with a very light grey and black and light blue and black finish. Looks extremely premium and unique. Both looks trendy and slightly casual. I wish Samsung had it in the stores to check. My personal favorite is these 2 colors as I kind of like the 2-tone color choice. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite color. So that's it for this video guys. I really hope you liked this video. If you liked the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.